Hey, what's up guys? This is Rick Johnson with Green Dynamics Lawn Care again, and we're back. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys my equipment, my rig, and how I have everything set up. So stay tuned. So, hey guys, we are back, and I'm going to show you guys the equipment that I have and my setup, my rig, whatever you want to call it. So here's the setup. Nothing fancy, nothing to it. 61-inch cut Husqvarna MZT 61. Actually, I got the trailer and the mower for a really great deal, guys. A really great deal from a good friend of mine. Shout out to Lawn Service Pro. My buddy over at Lawn Service Pro sold me this trailer and this mower. It was a blessing. I tell you what, this thing, it hasn't let me down yet. This mower gets down. I just replaced the blades on it. I got my mulching blades on underneath that deck, and I also have a chute as well that I put on there. I know what you guys are saying. Hey, how come you don't have the new chute system like everybody else got with the handle? Well, guys, it's coming. I was looking into that. I like that too. Hey guys, don't go out, if you guys are just starting off in lawn care, you don't have to go out spending a whole bunch of money. Just get the stuff that you need and save your money, and the other stuff will come, okay? As you see right here, I'm using your basic Troy-built power heads, and they cut like butter. They cut just like butter. It might not be steel or echo, but guess what? It gets the job done because I take care of them. I take real good care of my stuff. And all I have here is the edger. Try to keep new blades on my edger. Make sure you guys are doing maintenance, preventive maintenance on your equipment. And check this out. So I took the Troy-built power unit and I upgraded it with the Echo speed feed, and man, I couldn't be any happier. This thing has saved my butt in on a lot of properties. I tell you what, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. And of course, if you guys want to see what company this is the old system here, this rack system, Jungle Gems. I know you guys got the green touch systems now for your containers and your stuff here, your edger. But that stuff, like I said, that stuff will come in due time. I just started back up the end of this season, 2020. Towards the end of the season 2020, and this equipment is already paid off. The mower and the trailer's paid off. So that'll tell you something. You don't need to go in debt financing heavy duty equipment. If you can find a used mower that can get the job done, get it serviced, get some maintenance done to it, and I guarantee you take care of it, it'll last a long time. So yeah, that's if you guys want to go into the mower, basic mower, it is commercial grade. It's a commercial deck, 61-inch cuts, got 3 blades up under the deck. One thing I don't like about this mower is that these deck wheels tend to wear out real easily. I can't remember which one did I replay. I'm not sure if it's this one or the other one, but you see how it's moving around? All that, once you get to turning left and right, And this machine gets a lot of hours on the deck. They tend to wear down a little bit. Let me see if I can get a closer look for you guys in there. See how it's moving around? So I did my best. I went to the hardware store where this machine gets serviced and bought another lock bolt, and so far it's been doing pretty good. Let's see. So this machine has one tank. I believe it's a 5 or 6 gallon tank. I think it's a 5-gallon tank. Yep, it's a Kawasaki. Very good motor, guys. That's a powerful motor on this bad boy. I couldn't be any happier. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the mower. Back there, I got my other Husqvarna regular push mower for the smaller properties. So you notice, guys, I don't have a 36-inch cut just yet, but I am looking to get one. But that's going to come. That's going to come. I'm growing up to the point where I do need that 36-inch cut so I can get in the back gates. But this is a Husqvarna LC 121P. It cranks on the first start when it's nice, when it's already warm outside. This is a good mower. But only thing I don't like about it is not self-propel. I know Husqvarna has a new self-propel mower that's out. I've been looking at that one. I know that I've seen guys using the time cutters, and I think Skag has one that's coming out soon. Hey, you guys, tell me if you guys have any recommendations on a self-propel mower. Make sure you guys comment below. Tell me what you think. Have any questions? Comment below. Have any questions about this equipment? Comment below. Sorry about the background noise. We're near a military post. So here's my blower. I just bought this blower. This blower is brand new. Yeah, this is a Husqvarna 150 BT. It's not doesn't really have a lot of power, but it gets the job done, guys. I think this cost me around it was on sale for like 180 bucks. So you couldn't really I couldn't pass up the deal. I just wanted to get something to get me started, and so far it's been doing awesome. Spectacular. Spectacular. Hey, you guys show me what you guys are using. I know some of you guys are using red mats, echoes, steel. Once again, comment below. Let me know what you guys are using. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the rig. We're gonna go to the front here. So, you know, this is my setup. At some point, you know, this truck is getting the job done right now, but to me it's a little bit flashy. I really want to upgrade to a diesel ram, get a diesel ram, and so I can get some pulling power, especially when on the days where I gotta pull heavy equipment instead of going and renting equipment like the skid steer, the dingo. That equipment gets pretty heavy, and this with this truck, you know, I don't want to overload this truck like that. But yeah, I'm using what I got to get where I'm going. You got to start somewhere. So I'm gonna take you guys in here. Over here, I got my pressure washer. I got Old Faithful. That's Old Faithful. This is the actual mower that I started with, the Troy built. It's got the bagger system. This is great for Bermuda grass, zoysia grass. Those grasses of tall fescue, where you got to pull that grass up to get a better clean cut. The mower, you notice I don't have a bagger system on the mower. Hey guys, that's one thing I like about the walker machines. They give a much better cut on residential properties. So I cut my primary customers are residential. I do small commercial as well. But anyway, let me take you guys over here so you can see what's going on here. This is my little work area. You know, my little inventory. I'm starting to stock up on some stuff here. Some fertilizer, seed. This is my annual ryegrass, just in case customers want to get their properties overseeded. This is it. I try to have it in stock. You guys can upsell just a little bit and then charge for the labor, you know, if you want to do that. That's the way I do it. Down here, I try to keep some common amendments that I know I can get locally here, 5-10-10 fertilizer. So the reason I got this, the reason I chose to get these, because when I do line renovations, guys, and when that analysis comes back, the particular analysis that normally comes back calls, this is the fertilizer that's closest to it. You know, your NPK, I'm looking at my NPK lines closely aligned with the recommendations that they call for on a lot of these properties. You know, once you get to know your market and know the soil around here or in your area, you kind of know what to get. But, you know, make sure you always go with the recommendations on that soil test analysis, and you won't go wrong. But yeah, I keep 5-10-10 on hand. I'm gonna start keeping my ryegrass on hand for the customers that want to keep their lawns green through the winter. Some pre-emergent. Up here, I got some soil tests that I still did turn in for customers. And I try to keep a little organization here. These are extra containers for soil tests to use. Marking flags from where we're laying down sod or doing French drains. Okay, guys, this stuff here, this was actually given to me, but this is ant killer. A couple of sprinkles in a huge ant mound will kill the whole colony, guaranteed. Comment below if you guys want to figure out or try to see where that came from. I'll make sure I'll just do my best to try to track down where that my friend got that from. These are leftover steaks from the landscape edging that I had put down earlier this season. I'll try to keep some extra blades on hand for the edgers. These are my hedge trimmers I used. The Kobolt 40-volt mats. This is actually pretty good, guys. If you have a chance to test these out, maybe one day I can do a video on these, and so you guys can see what they can do. It's about time for me to go ahead and sharpen my, clean it up and sharpen it. Up here's where I normally keep my pesticides. Yeah, there you go. All my hand tools. Hey guys, while we're right here, I want you guys, I always try to keep my edges sharp. If you guys get a file, try to keep these edges sharp. It makes your hand labor a whole lot easier. And this tool right here, man, let me tell you, this is the magic tool right here when I'm cleaning out those flower beds, those overgrown flower beds, those weeds. All you gotta do is take it back and forth motion like that, and it's gonna cut everything out of there. I'll post the picture in this video towards the end so you guys can see the flower bed that I did with this very tool in my hand right here. You can pick this up. I think I got this at Lowe's. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I forgot the actual common name for it, but notice those edges are real sharp. I keep them sharp. If you're not too careful, you'll cut your finger on it. But yep. Hey guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Got any questions about securing commercial accounts? Let me know. You have any questions about setting up, just overall general questions about getting your business started? Let me know. About insurance, about your actual state license for landscape contracting. Hey guys, let me know. But yeah, guys, that's about it. You guys take care. Hey guys, I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And once again, if you have any questions about anything in the video, by all means, drop a comment below. Any general questions, drop a comment below. Have a blessed day.